What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C-Will back at it with another slight video, man. Y'all, look, today's video we just gonna be going on our first POV, you heard me, with the car, y'all. So yeah, pretty excited, man. I'm looking forward to, you know, seeing how this boy actually do. All right, seeing how the car does, man. You know what I mean? I'm gonna probably push this boy in manual, you heard me, and then I'm gonna also just with the gear shifter, right? And then after that we gonna go shit full auto, man, you heard me, just to see. Definitely want to hear how this leg maker intake gonna hold up. Definitely want to see man, just how the car sound. We actually on the way to drop the car off for ceramic coating. It's 7:39, but we got to be there at 8. It's roughly a 20-minute drive, so that's gonna be 20 minutes of fun, action, impact, everything, y'all. So hey, stay tuned to the video, you heard me. Y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, and then yeah, let's go from there, man. Let's get into it, bro. I'm not even playing. You know what, like slight cold start. It's kind of warm, man, because shit, I went to PT this morning. So let me just give y'all boys, this boy finna be loud, see Will. Boy loud, man. Sheesh. Yeah. Need that, man. Damn. Let's get in this boy. Oh. Whew. It's cold out Chelsea, fam. Damn. Germany. A bit hitting. But yeah, bro, hey, I'm gonna get back at y'all, man, once we actually start driving, let the car warm up and all that good stuff, man. Let me know how the POV look for now. And then yeah, let's get to it, man. I'm excited about this one, y'all. First POV. Shee. Alright, CEEFAM, so leaving the gate as we speak, bro, right now, you heard me? So first thing I'm gonna do, man, is just hit this SRT twice. Boom. And then that right there, hold on, boy, SRT twice. Boom. So as y'all see, take me into my custom mode, y'all. So I can either shift, man, with the paddle shifters, or I can elect to just shift, man, with the actual with the gearbox. So with me, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go with the gearbox first, man. You know what I mean? Something light, something slight. So I'm in first gear. Well, no, I'm in third gear right now. Man, just seeing how this boy hugged the curves, bro. To say this is a big car, CEEFAM. Oh yeah, I'm in there. Ooh, hey. God, I'm telling y'all, bro, Hellcats. Oh my God, bro, Hellcats ain't nothing to play around with, y'all. I promise y'all, bro. God damn. All right, coming up on this little. I gotta chill. Got cars coming. Oh, I'm out of there. God, yo, that leg maker, boy. Ooh, man, that leg maker is crazy work, bro. Look at the scenery right here, y'all. It's beautiful, right? Definitely beautiful, y'all. So me personally, man, so obviously, as y'all know, brother, Hellcat revs all the way up until 6,000 RPMs. I like to shift, bro, right at 5,000. So that's kind of right before. Oh, hold on, boy. We about to. Like I said, y'all, the Hellcat shifts at 6,000 RPM, so that's like red line. Never want to get to red line, y'all, right? So I like to get as much throttle out of my shifts as I can possibly get, y'all. So I try not to really shift too early, but I try not to shift super late to the point to where I'm redlining my engine, because obviously that's not good, y'all, right? So yeah, I try to shift at 5,000 RPMs, man. This car has been nothing but great to me, man. So yeah, coming around a roundabout right now, y'all. I definitely hope that the views are immaculate right now, because this is my first POV. You know what I mean, y'all? So very first POV. I'm gonna try to, you heard me, put the window down for y'all boys, just so y'all can see what I'm going through. But yeah, like I said, bro, leg maker, definitely have this boy sounding crazy, y'all, for sure. It's really weird driving like this too. I kind of got to get used to it too, man. And it's a little wet outside too, y'all, so I gotta, oh yeah, I'm out of there. God, y'all hear that? Man, bro, this Whine? Bro. God, bro, y'all can't tell me this not love right here at first sight, man. You know, yeah, like I said, bro, this is all in manual mode, y'all. Like, I feel like you get more fun time whenever you driving this car in like something like this, manual mode, bro. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, I'm out of there too, my boy. What the hell you think this is? What the hell, bro, think he trying to do? Should I do it, y'all? Nah, I'm not gonna do it. I can't really see. Hold on, boy, let me see. Cause bro think he the only one that can pass up something. Bro, no, I'm in there. That's a BMW. It's really a snack MW. I really eat, man. Stop playing, bro. I know, bro, hear me too. I know, bro, hear me. But yeah, see, fam, like, bro, I'm really living out a lot of people's dreams, bro. Like, for a lot of y'all out there, man, and there's nothing wrong with that. For a lot of y'all out there, bro, Hellcat is y'all end all be all, man. I'm just blessed enough to say that, bro. It's my second Hellcat, bro. So man, like, I'm a firm believer, bro. Like, if you get something one time, see, fam, you can get it 2-3 more times. You heard me? So yeah, man, to everybody out there, bro, just keep working hard, bro. Keep grinding, bro. You know what I mean? A person can tell you, well, people can tell you no 50 times in a row, bro, but all you need is that one yes that'll potentially change your life, bro. You know, and I'm just, man, I'm normal, bro. I'm in the Army, as y'all boys can see. I'm probably the most normal person y'all know on YouTube, really. I don't got no big chains. I don't got no big jewelry, man. You know what I mean? I'm really relatable, bro, and I feel like that's why, you know what I mean, some of y'all can really vibe to the content, bro, for sure. But yeah, man, you know what, let me slap this boy from out of the manual. Now let me go to the paddles, bro. Stop playing. Let me go to the paddles. Yeah, it's really weird driving like this, y'all. I have to get used to it. I'm not really used to it yet, but yeah, hopefully, man, y'all boys can hear this, because this is crazy, bro. Look, this all one take. You heard me? Y'all ain't gonna see no cuts. Y'all ain't gonna see no edits. I'm giving this bit to y'all, look, raw. You heard me? Yeah, that's how we get down on this channel, bro, for real. But yeah, man, like, bro, let me know what y'all want to see. I was supposed to race my homeboy Trackhawk, but man, I was just so busy, bro. Like, I was supposed to meet up with him in Grafenweer, which is probably about 20 minutes away from me. He was here all weekend, bro, but I'm busy with family, this and that. Ain't no excuses, y'all. So I may have to go meet him down there in K-Town, bro, and just, you know what I mean, vibe with him and just see, you know what I'm saying, bro, because I definitely owe that to him, bro. Like, I didn't hit him up to race or nothing like that. Yeah, the weather kind of been shitty, man. Like y'all see right now, it's kind of drizzling a little bit, y'all. So yeah, I'm kind of in traffic and all that right now, bro. So I may have to get back to y'all. I don't want to bore y'all, man, with downshifts and whatever. I can't do much, as y'all see right now. I can't really do much of anything. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all, man, whenever I got some kind of lane, some kind of avenue I can really work. But yeah, let's get to it, man. All right, y'all, so shit, finna turn, man. As y'all boys can see right now, I just really want to get some clearance between me and this BMW, y'all. Man, stop playing. Like I said, I really want to get some clearance in between me and this BMW, just so I can get some kind of a pull, man. You know what I mean? Like I said, I'm on a paddle shifters right now, y'all. We in shit first gear. Well, shit, hold on, boy. All right, so we in first right now. Bro, the shifts are crazy on this car, bro. Promise y'all, man. Man, you gotta know your limits too, y'all. Don't, you know what I mean? So yeah, y'all just see me take that little curve at, I don't know, like 120 kilometers per hour. I don't even know how much that is. Probably about 80 right there, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, like this car, bro, I mean, it can do good in curves and all that, y'all. It's just heavy, man. That's the only downfall with Dodge, bro. Right? This car, I'm pretty sure this car is meant to just go in a straight line, right, y'all, just to prevent, you know what I mean, throwing all that weight around. I think this car is like 4,600 pounds, which is on the heavier side for a muscle car, y'all, for sure. So yeah, man, it's crazy. The only thing that I don't like about the paddle shifters though, man, is like, say for example, like right now, right, you know, I was in the manual mode or the paddle shifter mode. After like a certain while, CEEFAM, I mean, if you just cruising like this, it'll just switch right back from manual mode right back to the drive mode. All right, so that's why me personally, I'd rather just slap this boy over here in the actual manual. See, so as of right now, I'm in 5th gear. It says M and then it says 5. You know what I'm saying, y'all? But all I really gotta do is just downshift that boy. You heard me? Downshift that boy again. Downshift that boy again. So me, CEEFAM, like instead of, I guess, hitting the actual brake, you know, like to preserve y'all brakes, y'all, instead of hitting the brakes whenever y'all stopping, just downshift. You know what I mean? So the car will progressively slow down as you guys downshift. You see what I mean? So that'll preserve you guys' brakes longer, because you're not stopping on you're not hitting the brake as hard, right? I hope that makes sense, y'all. But yeah, in a little city right now, man, in a little town, you hear me, ain't nothing too crazy, can't really do much right here. But yeah, man, hey, I hope y'all boys enjoying the POV. Really nice, brother, just be able to chop it up with y'all right quick, man, and all that good stuff. As y'all see, man, people probably on their way to work and all kind of stuff right now, y'all. So yeah, you know what, I'm putting the window down for y'all boys, you heard me, both windows, just so I can get some clearance. It's cold. I'm really doing this for y'all though, bro, for sure. Woo! Damn, this boy stupid, McNoopid. Man, shout out the leg maker, dog. This video is not sponsored. Shout out the leg maker, bro. God damn. That's one thing I like about Germany, bro. They got a lot of like little back roads and stuff, bro. But yeah, it's Monday morning, dog. Look like everybody on their way to work or something like that, CEEFAM. So there's not much I can do. I just wanted to make this little first POV video, man, just to get y'all boys, you know what I mean, man, action behind the GoPro, damn, just to get y'all boys some action behind the DJI Action 5, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's what, you know what I mean, I'm recording off of right now, y'all. So but yeah, man, I'm 5 minutes away from the shop that I got to drop the car off at, man. So yeah, just wanted to give y'all boys a POV. I wanted to be proactive and not reactive, man. Just get this video out to y'all while I'm about to shoot another video too. So yeah, man, killing 2 birds in 1 stone, CEEFAM. So yeah, let's get to it, man. All right, y'all, so your boy is finna get like a last pull in, man. It's probably finna be my last pull for sure, right? We literally 1 minute away. So yeah, I'm probably just finna turn, make a little right here, and then yeah, my guy's shop should be somewhere back there, y'all. So yeah, not too much else I can really do, you know what I mean? Cause yeah, he'll probably have a car, bro, for about 3-4 days. Cause yeah, what, they gotta take the glue off the car, the adhesive, they gotta do the outside, man, all kind of stuff, ceramic coat the rims, do paint correction and all that good stuff on the car, y'all. So damn, I might not even be able to do a pull the way it's looking, dog. Damn, this damn truck, bro, killing me. All these damn logs. Ain't no final destination, I hope not though, bro. But yeah, I'ma just wait so I can get some clearance between me and that log truck. Like I said, ain't no final destination, bitch. That's over with, bro. I can't do no final destination, CEEFAM. Hopefully y'all can hear me, man. Forget me, don't hear me. Hear the damn car, bro. It just sounds like it want to go. I got it in 2nd gear right now. Probably doing a 40 roll right now, and it's a little wet outside, so I can't go full gusto, CEEFAM. But downshift finna be crazy. You hear me? Watch. Jesus Christ, son. Man. Sheesh. Yeah, bro, this car, bro, I don't think I'm gonna ever get rid of this boy for real. Hold on, boy. yeah, just made it to my guy's shop finally. So yeah, man, pretty excited, y'all. Just made it. Hello, good morning. All right, y'all, so just now made it to the guy's shop, man. Pretty excited, you know what I'm saying? Let me close out this video, man, right quick. How y'all doing? What up, man? Good morning. The man himself. What up, man? Up, finally good to meet you, bro. Yeah. You know, we always talk online, but finally good to meet you, man. Absolutely. But yeah, I'm gonna just do a walk around of the car right quick, man, and then like, should I pull it in, or you want me to just, you know, leave it out here, or? That's okay here. That's okay right here? Yeah. All right, so as y'all see, man, just now pulled up to the shop, man. Shout out to my guy over here, bro. Detailing Factory. Just pulled up, man, and yeah, pretty much about to leave the car with him. Probably for about 3-4 days, y'all. Let me know how y'all felt, bro, about the POV. Definitely feel like it went pretty good, y'all, for my first POV, man. And it's weird, y'all, because we actually hooked on whatchamacallem tires, on winter tires. You know, we still got the winter 315 or 305, I think 305 30 20 22 in the back, something like that. So yeah, knowing that we was able to hook y'all on whatever, just winter tires, I don't care the size. No one was able to hook on winter tires, y'all. It's crazy. So man, if I threw some Toyos on the back of this or whatever, then yeah, it'd be crazy. But like I said, y'all, man, we had bad weather, you know what I mean? It's raining and all that, CEEFAM. So yes, unfortunately, I had to bring them the car just like this, but it's okay. They're gonna wash it, do all the good stuff like that to it, and then go from there, man. So hey, y'all new to the channel, bro, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, let me know what y'all thought of everything. And then yeah, shit, I'm C Will, y'all CEEFAM, and I'll holla at y'all boys in the next video, baby.